Unlock the power of tomorrow's insights, today, with Gemini AI's revolutionary trend analysis. Tired of guessing what's next in your industry, or simply want to understand what's captivating the world? Gemini AI is your ultimate tool for identifying and dissecting trends, transforming raw data into actionable knowledge. Let's dive in. Our first step is to engage Gemini AI. Simply pose your question. You can ask about broad market shifts, consumer behavior, technological advancements, or anything that sparks your curiosity. The more specific you are, the sharper Gemini's focus will be. Watch as Gemini begins to process vast amounts of information, from news articles and social media, chatter to market reports and scientific publications. It intelligently sifts through the noise, pinpointing the most significant patterns and recurring themes that define current trends. Gemini AI's strength lies in its ability to synthesize diverse data sources, unlike traditional analysis, which might focus on a single report. Gemini can cross-reference information from numerous origins, providing a more holistic and robust understanding of a trend's trajectory. But Gemini AI doesn't just tell you what's happening. It helps you anticipate what's going to happen by analyzing historical patterns and current momentum. Gemini can offer insights into future developments, giving you a vital edge in decision-making. And the interaction doesn't stop there. You can probe deeper, ask follow-up questions to understand the underlying causes, the potential impacts, or even identify emerging subtrends within the broader landscape. Gemini AI acts as your collaborative analyst, refining insights with every query. From spotting the next big thing to understanding the subtle shifts that shape our world, Gemini AI empowers you to navigate the future with confidence, start leveraging its power today, and transform your understanding of trends.